We are proud to present the winner of the Lafarge Wholesome Awards Bronze 2017 for Latin America. The prize goes to the project Urban Circulatory System, Sanitation System in Informal Communities in Brazil.
Rio de Janeiro is the second largest metropolitan area in Brazil. In the city of millions below Sugarloaf Mountain, the management of water and sewage pose numerous challenges, especially in the informal districts. This project localizes water treatment, cleaning wastewater where it is produced. Rainwater harvesting, septic tanks and wetlands are introduced in informal settlements to manage the wastewater now flowing through the neighbourhood as open sewage. The new infrastructure not only contributes to the improvement of public health, it enhances soil stabilisation, significantly reducing the risk of landslides. Implementation is envisioned through a fractal approach, from the grouping of several residences to schools to whole neighbourhoods.
The Lafarge Wholesome Awards jury greatly valued the detailed analysis of water flows as an urban circulatory system running through the favela. Taking on the pressing challenge of sanitation in informal areas of the city with intelligence and playfulness, the proposal challenges the notion that sewage needs to be hidden underground. By making water treatment local and visible, the proposed plan creates an active relationship between water management and the community. The Lafarge Wholesome Foundation congratulates everyone involved in this project and honors this exceptional entry with the Lafarge Wholesome Awards Bronze 2017 for Latin America.